this day 3 years ago. This place where there was nothing. What's left on top of the empty space? One faith in the Lord. Even though it looks shabby to a person's eyes, the Lord said, don't look at the old one, I'm not here. My covenant is in you, because my spirit doesn't leave. Don't be afraid and stand up, I will be with you.
The later glory of this temple, Creer than the previous glory, shaking the sky and the earth, the Lord is restoring it.
I'll give you peace here, a peace that the world can't give you. The grace of the Lord, you're here.
In a little while I'll make it. It vibrates the sea and the heat. Everything in my covenant, it will be filled through you. What else do you need? I'm in you.
One Lord is enough. You're standing today with that grace. First of all, His country, and ask for His righteousness. Then all of this the Lord will add.
The later glory of this temple, Creer than the previous glory. Stand the one that's collapsed, the Lord is making it happen.
I'll give you peace here, the peace of God, it flows through us, shalom in the sky. Second half of a year, this is Hebrew. He told me to hold on to it. This is enough. This faith that only the Lord relies on. This is enough. God is the one who sets it up. God is the one who achieves it. We stood praying, full of the Holy Spirit, full of the Holy Spirit, only pray.
Do you remember this day 3 years ago? This place where there was nothing. What's left on top of the empty space? One faith in the Lord. Even though it looks shabby to a person's eyes, inside the old one. I'm not here.
My covenant is in you, because my spirit doesn't leave. Don't be afraid and stand up, I will be with you.
The later glory of this temple,
Creer and previous glory,
shaking the sky and the earth.
the Lord is restoring it.
I'll give you peace here,
A peace the world can give you.
the grace of the Lord. You're here.
In a little while, I'll make it. It vibrates the sea and the heat.
Everything in my covenant, it will be filled through you. What else do you need? I'm in you. I want it.
Oh Lord, is enough. You're standing today with that grace.
First of all, his country, and ask for his righteousness. Then all of this the Lord will add. The later glory of this temple,
Creer the previous glory.
stand the one that's collapsed.
The Lord is making it happen.
I'll give you peace here.
The peace of God, it flows through us. Shalom in the sky.
The second half of a year. This is Hebrew. He told me to hold on to it. This is enough.
This faith that only the